Because no, because because you have keyboard has insulation. You don't directly press on the contacts. Try like leaking the charger port and you'll electrify because you have a direct contact to the metals or to the copper and so on and so forth. But since you have a laptop that has a keyboard keys and in case enclosure that plastic or not metal, and you're safe, the electricity doesn't travel because you are insulated, the electricity insulated. Yeah, yeah, because there's a membrane, like it has different when you open your laptop, it has a layer of covering, then another covering the copper that detects motion, or the what you call this piezo. It's something called that. It just detect the motion of the copper that contacts the point. It has cover. Everything has a cover before you can touch the direct electricity of the laptop. Yeah, underneath. It's underneath. Yeah, yeah, yes. It will. Yeah, it always say in isolation because it will not be allowed to be sold online, or like it's not you it's a product that should not kill the owner, or like the buyer. So it will be safe always. Should be safe. Hmm. Yeah. Yes. It can. Yeah. Overheated in the charging. Usually the charging and the contacts with the battery. Sometimes damaged battery. Sometimes damaged ports. And yeah, because of the screen. Because yeah, light produces heat also. When you have a high brightness, it will cause your laptop iPhone to heat up also. The data, yeah, the data also, like if you open your data or the internet connection on your phone, the travel of the internet from your phone